enjoyed.
Okay. Woo. I'm scared. All right, who's in here? Ah! Ah!
Take it. No!
Evan.
Ah!
See ya.
Bye. Oh wow, spooky in here. Oh my god. Yeah, I did that 100% on purpose. It was not because I was actually scared.
Whoa. Whoa, come on, Jack. Ah!
Dead skeleton.
Oh, please don't kill me. Who's in there?
How do I get out of here?
No, I'm not going.
You can do it.
You can do it.
We'll go right behind you. We're almost there.
Hi, boy.
Look at that nurse. I feel like he's alive.
No. Let's go. Ready? Oh, look at over here. Look at that skeleton. Oh my gosh. Oh.
There's a mouse in there.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Go check it out. What's back
I
there?
do not like scare jumps, and I saw somebody back
No, I
there.
don't think there's anybody back there.
This way.
Here we go.
Okay, take it back. I'm totally scared.
1 step. Let's go another 2 steps. Hi, Hulk! Whoa.
Oh boy. That's freaking the old eyes out. Awesome. Awesome.
Okay. Wow. Look at that. We're good. Come on, keep going. Wait, do we have to go up? So I gotta get out of here.
You're good. We're done.